Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining today's meeting. The purpose of this meeting is to explore what kind of new subjects should be proposed to the faculty in order to better prepare our graduates for current and future labor market demand. And before we begin the discussion, I would like to ask everyone to introduce themselves. Start from me. My name is Nawal Faiz Safiandra as a dean.
And I am Nawal Sivandia as a lecturer.
And I'm Elsa Rosana Dewi as a alumni.
And I'm Anarki Musyafar as a student.
And Ramanda Cisdiawan as a user.
Okay, thank you everyone, and I would like to ask the lecturer to take the minute of today's meeting.
Sure, Dean.
Okay, let me begin the discussion by talk about what is the main challenge faced by our graduates today. I would like to hear from the lecturer first.
Okay, from an academic perspective, one major challenge is the gap between theoretical knowledge and real world application. Many students understand concept well, but they struggle when they face practical problems.
Okay, thank you for the lecturer. Now, could you give us a concrete example of that case?
Okay, sure, Dean. For example, when students are required to analyze report or empirical data, they often feel uncertain how about the process.
Yeah, I agree with that because in my workplace, most decisions are based on data and performance report. As a fresh graduate, adapting to that environment was quite challenging.
Thank you for the alumni. And are this gap become visible after graduation?
Yes, especially during the years of work.
As a student, we are aware of the gap. We study many theory, but we are not always confident when dealing with real facts or real data.
Yes, I agree. That concern is also frequently expressed in the classroom.
Okay, thank you. I take your point, and that is very insightful. It seems that both lecturers and students aware and recognize the same issue here. Now, I would like to invite our industry representative to share their expectation. What skills do you think graduates should have today?
From the industry perspective, this is very relevant. Companies today rely heavily on data for decision making, even for non-technical roles.
Yes, even basic data skill would have helped me a lot at the beginning.
Alright, I see where it goes. It seems like we are starting to see something where data related competencies is become a theme that often comes up.
Okay. However, I would like to raise a concern. We should be careful not to make the curriculum too technical, and I think university must still prioritize strong theoretical foundation.
Understand that concern, but from our side, theory alone is not sufficient. Graduates often know concept, but they struggle to apply them in practice.
Okay, there seems to be a tension between maintaining academic rigor and practical needs. Now, I would like to hear from student, as you will be directly affected by this issue, and how do you think we can balance these two aspects very well?
I think study still need theory, but we also need guidance on how to apply it. Learning how to use theory in real situation will be very helpful.
Yeah, in my experience, theory becomes more meaningful when it is connected to real data. Applied learning does not reduce academic value.
Okay, that is a fair point. Perhaps the issue is not choosing between theory and practice, but integrating them effectively.
Okay, based on this discussion, what do you think type of subject that could integrate between theory, practical skills, and industry relevance?
A subject that helps student analysis information and support decision would be very useful.
From my experience, most of these skills are related to analyzing and interpreting data.
Yes, I agree.
Okay, if the focus is on interpretation on decision making rather than technical programming, I believe such a subject would still align with academic standards.
Yes, we are looking for data literate graduates, not necessarily data scientists.
Okay, now we have several key points based on the minutes of today's discussion. First, there is a shared concern among lecturers, students, alumni, and industry representatives regarding the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical application. The second, data-related analytical skills have been identified as increasingly important for both current and future labor market demands. And last, while there is concern about maintaining academic rigor, all parties agree that theory and practice should be integrated rather than separate. Okay. Overall, the discussion support proposing a subject that combines applied data analysis and decision making with strong theoretical foundation.
Okay, thank you, the lecturer, for the minute. And based on today's discussion, we can see that all stakeholders emphasize the need for stronger analytical and practical skills. These are needs consistently point toward the ability to interpret data and support decision making. And therefore, as a balanced situation, for this solution, the faculty may consider proposing a subject titled Applied Data Analyst for Business and Policy. And we hope this subject maintains academic rigor while responding to current and future labor market demands. Thank you for your time.